way over there. My ball will be ruined and he technically owns it anyway. You should have listened when I said to stop. You are my younger sister. Look at your brother in the face when I talk to you. Come on, Bibby. It's too late to get the ball now. The boats are leaving. Bibby, come back. No, stop. Bibby, don't go after it. Oh, it's okay, Bibby. The boy who stole the ball with the messy curved back hair is going to get it. He says it will go halves. Anyway, I wouldn't go near the water. There might be sharks. Look, Bibby, he's fallen in. Bibby, quick, go ask for some help. Maybe the sailor with that curved long stick. Bibby, no, don't pull the stick off him. Bibby, you're not supposed to kick people. Bibby, don't bite him. Oh, wait, no, he's going to throw you in the water. No! Bibby, save off the water. Use your arms and legs. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, no, you've gone under. I'm diving after you. Bibby! Bibby, where are you? I can't see you. Huh. Underwater is very peaceful, don't you think? Oh look, Bubbles. We are playing soccer for Australian Double-Tours United. Green soccer pitches with goalposts made of solid gold. Little stools for one-legged goalies, and you and I are winning. I can see our parents laughing happily, holding buckets that must be full of tea. There is peace everywhere, and look, a supermarket with a water fountain. Oh, Bibby, the government, they're bringing ice cream for your birthday, and we're going to school. I can see landmines made of gold. We could dig them up and sell them. I love it here. Bibby, we are floating up. Wait, Bibby, you're not here. Where am I? Oh, ow, what's that on my back? Oh, Bibby, the light is bright. Oh, lucky, we are safe. And look, the boy has our ball. Bibby, Mom and Dad, where are they? Oh no, Bibby, look. Mom! Dad! Jump off! Swim to us! We love you! No! Please! Please come back. Bibby, I know you're sad. I am too. But there's another boat. And remember, we can still reach Australia and meet our parents there. Think about how much fun that will be. Remember the secret of soccer. Never give up, even when things are looking hopeless. Oh yeah, sorry, Bibby. I forgot it. You hate it when I say hopeless. Come on, let's go.